Creating a viral AI generated shorts and reels is now more accessible with various AI dancing video generator tools. Here are some notable options. First website is Go Enhance AI Dance Video Generator. This tool allows you to animate any character in various styles, making it ideal for social media content. Next, Atubo or AI Tubo AI dance generator. Transform your photos into lively dance videos effortlessly, bringing your images to life with just few clicks. Next, the Wiggle AI. Wiggle AI is a powerful AI animation tool that lets you animate characters and create stunning videos with ease. And lastly, Vidnose AI dance generator. Create AI dance videos with photos, making your images dance online for free. By utilizing these tools, you can produce engaging and dynamic content that resonates with audiences across various social media platforms. If you want an example right here, I'm gonna experiment with one of the websites. Let's say AITubo.ai, right? I'm gonna click make photo right here, right? I'm gonna experiment and I'm gonna choose the template. Let's say for example this, right? And hit generate, and then of course log in with your own account. So I'm gonna continue using my account. Okay, and now I have 175 credit. Hit generate, or I'm gonna upload an image, right? So I'm gonna scroll a bit down and upload or drop my image, right? And I'm gonna select a photo. Let's say I don't have a standing photo, that's the problem. Let's say this. I don't know if that would work, but let's say this. And let's say I'm gonna choose this template, right? And each template has its own unique credit. So I have right here 100 credits, so I'm gonna use something cheap. Okay, and then basically hit generate at the bottom right after you select your own photo, but basically you get the gist. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.